Andy, welcome back to my vlog. So in today's video, I'll be doing a lazy day makeup routine. So I have been using this makeup routine ever since the rain started here. And of course, because of the weather, sobrang nakakatamad talagang kumilos. And whenever I go out, sometimes hindi na ako nagme-makeup. But whenever I need a pick-me-up and kailangan ko talaga magmukhang fresh kahit papaano, I really want to put on a makeup that is very minimal. This is only a 7-product makeup, but you can add more if you want. Of course, hindi naman ako magsasabi sa'yo kung ano yung gusto at ayaw mo ilagay sa face mo. But this is just my personal makeup routine whenever it's a lazy day for me and I have to do my chores. Or ito rin yung ginagamit ko whenever I want to get coffee lang outside. And I'm sorry in advance if may maririnig kayong background noises since may ginagawa dito ngayon sa bahay namin and medyo maingay siya, hindi ko yun makokontrol. But yeah, so andito rin yung dog ko kung Nataka kayo, andito si Molly ngayon. Ayan, natutulog siya. So without further ado, let's start with the video. Again, kayo bahala na mag-add and magtanggal ng mga products na hindi fit for your skin tone or skin type. To start this video off, I want to tell you my skin type, and I'm actually, if you guys didn't know and you haven't watched my other videos, I am oily, acne-prone, and sensitive skin, so it's really hard for me to find products that will suit my skin type and would not irritate my skin type. Let's start off with primer. Usually, I am not using primer. Yun din yung gagawin ko in today's video, but I have a primer recommendation for you guys. So yung primer recommendation ko is actually from my past video. Yun yata yung pinaka-recent na in-upload ko. It's from Drugstore and this is their turn-on cream. I normally would use this if I am not too lazy to put on a primer. But since if ever man super lapit lang na pupuntahan ko, I don't feel the need to put on my primer. Let's move on with the base of my makeup. Let's start off this makeup by using the Snail White CC Sunscreen. This is actually a newfound for me, and ito yung pinaka-recent na favorite ko whenever I do my lazy makeup. Kasi super dali lang niya and it will instantly brightens your face. This is not sponsored or whatsoever since nakita ko nga lang sa Watsons and this is only 109 pesos. The full size is actually expensive for me at first since I wanted to try it first before buying the full size. So this sachet pack is again 109 pesos and this one is 995. Since I really did love this product, that is why I got the full size already. Para lang ma-sure sa inyo guys na hindi to sponsored, I will also show you na binili ko to sa Watsons and this is the price. I think baliktad lang siya sa phone but it is 995 pesos. So yan. But if Snail White wants to sponsor me their CC cream, I am open for business. My contact informations are down below in my description box. So yeah. So let's start off by putting this one on the half of my face. Ito lang kailangan ko for the first half of my face. That small amount would actually cover my whole face na since a little goes a long way. And I also want to show you guys that I have lots of imperfections on my face, but this product still works for me since it has that natural finish. And I would love to use products that are lightweight and not too heavy on my skin. I just want to look a little fresher than usual. So as you guys can see, this side of my face instantly brightens since it is a CC cream. CC stands for color correcting. That's why it actually hides all of the redness on my face and some of the discoloration. So on a normal day, how I would apply this is just your usual sunscreen since it has SPF 50, and please expect that this has a flashback effect whenever you put on or be in front of cameras with flashes. I hope that you bear with me guys on how I pronounce stuff since it's really hard for me to pronounce some stuff. Since kakakabit nga lang nung braces ko sa lower part ng teeth ko, so it's harder for me to pronounce stuff, and medyo nabubulol din ako, and sometimes that's why bear with me. And if you guys want to know where I got my ceramic braces, it's actually from Buela Dental Clinic. Yes, my dad owned this clinic. And we have actually 3 branches. Dadagdag ko lang to sa video na to. Just a quick ad, if I do say so. We have 3 branches. We have in Pasay City, Paranaque City, and also Makati City. Makati City is actually our newest branch. So if you ever need a affordable dental care needs, we actually offer a wide variety of dental care. Please visit our Facebook page, which is Buela Dental Clinic. You can book an appointment on our Facebook page, and we actually offer metal braces and ceramic braces like mine. So yeah, if you have further questions, please inquire on these numbers or on our Facebook page. Again, it's Buela Dental Clinic. So the next step of my makeup is concealer. So this is actually my new favorite. This is the Vice Cosmetic Flawlezza Concealer, and I am in the shade Tisay. This is their lightest shade range. Nagpatulong lang ako dun kay ate sa nagbebenta nito. I actually bought this with my own money. Again, none of these products are sponsored. Usually, I would put on this concealer under my eyes, and sometimes if I really want to cover up my imperfections such as those, my acne scars and marks, I would put this, but since I am not in the mood on spot concealing, I would not be doing that right now. A little goes a long way. This actually has a medium to full coverage. You can actually build this up without feeling cakey or looking cakey at all. And yes, I am not using any sponge since sobrang nakakatamad talaga maghugas ng makeup sponge, or sometimes maghugas din ng brushes. That is why I would usually go for my fingers na lang to blend my concealer. And the excess products that are on my fingers, ilalagay ko lang siya sa nose bridge ko, just to add a little highlight as well. So this is actually the second product that I'm putting. Let's do a kailangan na lang natin habang I put on the products on my face. Let's move on with the powder. So since this is the final cream product that I am putting on my face, I'll be moving on with a face powder, and this is from Ellie Pro Face. If you haven't watched my other videos, again, I have been using this for a really long time now. I did actually hit the pan already, but I'm gonna use the sponge that it comes with. I know sobrang gamit na tong sponge sa akin, but what I would do is get the sponge like so, and i-pinch ko siya ng ganyan, and ilalagay ko siya sa ilalim ng mata ko, just to add a little more coverage, and at the same time, the powder and the concealer would blend perfectly. Doing the same thing on this side of my face, and on the rest of my face, especially my T-zone area, ilalagay ko lang siya how I would normally put on my powder on my smile lines as well. And if you're like me and may discoloration kayo dito sa upper lip nyo because of your stash, this would also add, nagka-crumble na siya. this would also add a little more coverage sa upper lips nyo. And the great thing about the sunscreen of Snail White, it is not actually sticky at all. It's super lightweight. Yeah, gustong-gusto ko talaga siya recently. So now, this is the part where I use my brush. I'm just gonna use my usual nose contour brush, which is this one. And again, this is a new favorite. If you guys didn't know, I have been loving the Maybelline Fashion Brow as my contour. But since that is super old and I think I'm having pimples on whenever I use that one, that's why I am trying to transition to a new contour product. So this is Aura Contour by Vice, and this is the shade Porshur. I have been seeing a lot of videos on YouTube that they use this one, and kung hindi nyo pa nakikita, I really love Vice Cosmetics kasi it is affordable. And at the same time, sobrang sakto niya lang for my skin type. Hindi ako pinipimples whenever I use Vice Cosmetics product. So I very lightly contour my nose just to accentuate it a little bit since I am super white. Like, my skin tone is super white. Minsan, nakikita niyo rin sa video na nafa-flush out na yung shades or shadows ko sa face. That's why I want to add a little contour lang. So, after contouring my nose, that is the fourth product that I put on my face. I actually forgot to count the brows. But this is, again, you can remove this na if you're, again, lazy like me. But since nakikita ko sa camera na masyadong light yung eyebrows ko today, i-add ko lang ng onti ito. On normal days talaga, guys, I am not filling in my eyebrows. Kasi in person, my brows are darker. Sa camera lang, it looks a little lighter and mukha siyang manipis. That's why I am adding it right now. So yan, as you all can see, sobrang light lang ng paglagay ko sa brows ko. So now that I am done with my brows, let's move on with the blush. So of course, di ko ma-apply yung blush ko with my fingers. Pwera na lang kung ito ay cream blush, but this is not that one. This is a powder blush, and I usually mix my two favorite color from different brands. This is actually my new favorite shade from Nichido. It's the Peach Glow. And this one is Wine from the Maybelline Fit Me line. Paghahalo ko lang siya using my favorite blush, using my favorite brush. So, a little lang, and I'm gonna tap it, and ilalagay ko lang siya dyan sa cheeks ko. Like so, focusing it on the outer perimeters of my face. Para this would also act as my contour as well. Para medyo pumayat tignan din yung cheeks ko. So I'm gonna do the same thing again, blending the two together or mixing the two together. Again, kitang-kita pa rin dito yung marks ko. Recently kasi I also have been stressed with school. That's why lumalabas din yung pimples ko, and sometimes yung iba naman dyan, it's because of my monthly visits. So, yan yung itsura ng blush ko. Again, hindi siya yung sobrang pack na pack or sobrang into your face na blush. Light lang, sobrang pa-fresh lang, pa-bebe lang, ganyan. Yun lang naman yung gusto natin i-achieve dito sa makeup look na to. Fresh lang. That is the fifth product that I am applying. And next one is we're gonna curl our lashes. It makes a whole difference on your makeup routine. So now, again, a new favorite of mine. This is from Shein, and this is their She Glam makeup line. I actually saw this on TikTok, and I fell in love with this, especially the first time that I saw the videos of other TikTokers out there na sobrang nagandahan din sila dito sa product na to. This is actually a dual-ended mascara. This side is for lengthening and this side is for volumizing. What I normally use talaga is the lengthening side, which is this kind of bristles. Ganyan yung itsura niya. It's really good for Asian eyes and also for people who have thin lashes like I do. This is the volumizing side. Ito naman talaga yung bristles ng mascara for volumizing. Napapansin ko kasi yung volumizing side, nagiging clumpy lang yung lashes ko whenever I use that one. That is why I prefer the lengthening side na lang. That the first coat of mascara is really good. It made my lashes look long and mas nakikita na siya ngayon on camera. I would normally put on 2 to 3 layers of mascara depending on the day. That's what I love about this mascara. Like, super pabebe lang nung itsura ng lashes ko. And if curious kayo kung all throughout the day this would curl, kasi diba some mascaras leave your lashes, yung lashes nyo bumababa siya or nagiging straight siya ulit, this one will hold your curls all throughout the day. So the last and final step, the color for my lips. I have already put on a tiny bit of tint, kung hindi nyo napapansin, para hindi lang ako magmukhang dead on the start of the video. And this is actually the Super Stay Ink Crayon from Maybelline. And the shade is lead the way. The reason why I bought this shade, naghahanap kasi ako ng dupe for Charlotte Tilbury's Pillow Talk na lipstick. That is also a cult favorite for most of the YouTubers that I know. And ito yung nakita kong closest dupe for Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. Mostly, if alam kong gagamit akong Maybelline na lipstick, naglalagay na akong madaming Vaseline or petroleum jelly sa lips ko or any type of lip balm before I put on their lipstick. But since na-discover ko nga tong product na to na hindi siya ganun or hindi siya drying sa lips, I don't feel the need to put on any lip balm on my lips before putting on the lipstick. All throughout the day, magsistay on siya since this is super stay. Matagal talaga siya tumatagal sa lips ko. And hindi na ako nag-re-apply even though all throughout the day, nasa labas lang ako. And usually talaga kumakain pa kami sa labas. That is it guys for my video. I hope you guys love this video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up down below. And if you're new here, please do subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell if you want to be updated on my future uploads. So in person guys, mas halata pa yung acne marks ko. Medyo naglighten lang talaga siya sa camera. But again, hindi ko na siya totally kina-cover because I am embracing all of my flaws. Hindi ko na masyado ini-stress yung sarili ko to hide all of my imperfections because that makes me me. So I hope kunin nyo din yung mindset na yon na not everything should be perfect. And huwag kayong maniwala dito sa effects ng camera ko right now. In person, my face is full of textures. Kitang-kita yung pores ko. And also, yan, sobrang dami kong acne scars, acne marks na sobrang hirap tanggalin. But I have learned to embrace all of my imperfections already. Yeah, thank you so much guys again for watching, and comment down below kung may tips ba kayo for dry lips like I have, kasi wala naman akong special na ginagawa sa lips ko. That's why I want to have a specific routine for my lips. And also, if you have other video suggestions, please comment it down below in the comment section. I will be happy to be reading your suggestions. And please visit our Buela Dental Clinic Facebook page. I'll be linking the Facebook link down below also so you guys can check it out. Yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. Bye!